So hello YouTube, I have brought some products. I ordered some products from Amazon to increase the productivity. So this will be unboxing and testing of Type C USB hub. So this is my advanced laptop. It's a touchscreen 360 laptop, and it has the Type C port. But I never used it because the charger you can see is a traditional way. It supports the Type C charging as well, but the Type C port is unused. So before a few days, I had a normal Type A USB hub, which was by Quantum, but after so many years, it gave up. But I got the trust on the Quantum brand, so I brought one more USB hub. So right now you can see my keyboard, mouse, receiver, and the headphone. This is a professional Jabra headphone. So these are USB headphones. So both of my Type A USB ports are engaged for this. And every day I come into my office. I'm in my home office. I have to connect all these ports like the HDMI cable for the monitor and the charger and these two. These the dongle I keep it as it is all the time, but it is wrong because when I bring my personal laptop, I cannot use my mechanical keyboard and mouse because the dongle is always connected to this laptop, and this laptop I close it off after my shift is over, and then I cannot use any other laptop on this setup on this desk. Okay, so to reduce or to resolve this problem, I ordered the new USB hub. I will be unboxing it soon, and we will test it. Also, that USB hub is Type C. So, what is the major plus point of having a Type C is you can use it as a OTG for your smartphone. As you know, I have a car with a premium head unit which plays the four full HD videos. So to transfer that, I had to struggle always. I have one OTG in my car, but it never works perfectly. So I had to struggle always. So this USB hub I will be using as a OTG to transfer the video files into my car pen drive. So now let's start with the unboxing. So here is the package unopened. Actually, I have got the two products. Let me open it real quick. So I brought this safety razor. This is double edge safety razor. Uh, this unboxing I will do in separate video, I believe, because this video will be very lengthy if I club both of these into the same video, because for this is first time I got something like this, the razor, the safety razor. This is double edge safety razor where you insert the actual blade. I will if you want to see this video, I will drop a link below in description, but this video I am keeping specifically for this USB hub. You can see it's Type C USB hub by Quantum, and it has one 3.0 port, and these three are the 2.0 ports. I don't need a 3.0 port actually, because I'm not gonna use it for the data transfer purpose. I'm just gonna use my daily things on it. 800 is the MRP, guys, and you will be shocked after seeing the price, the actual price. So here is the actual price. I hope you can see it. 199 rupees only. So it's a steal deal for this price. Actually, I was going to buy the traditional Type A, but when I saw the Type C, I'm getting for this price 200 rupees. Then I decided to buy this one immediately. So here are some specs: manufactured in December 22, not too old. Okay, so nothing much to see. This is also, I believe, a Chinese company, Quantum High Tech Merchants. Okay, This might be a Indian company, I'm not sure, but definitely this is not made in India. This is made in China only, because in 200 rupees Indian brand cannot manufacture it. You can see it's packed piece. I'll leave the link for both of these products into description. So this is how it looks. So in first impression, I will say build quality is really nice. So it also has the power port. If you face any issues while using all 4 ports, you can give the power, so that your peripherals which need a power supply, like if you have a wired mechanical keyboard which has multicolor LED lights inside, in that case you will need some power here, because the single wire won't be enough. Let me tell you guys, the quality of wire is very sturdy and beefy. It's not a thin cable which I had in my old USB hub, and this is definitely not this definitely doesn't feel like it's just of 200 rupees. Okay guys, it feels premium. No branding on the cable though, no branding on the Type C adapter as well. It's pretty plain. Now let me quickly plug in my accessories. I will check each and every port in front of you, so that you will have the idea if everything is working perfectly fine or not. The cable is not so lengthy, that's why I will have to pull my laptop over here. Okay. So I'll plug in my headset, and this light should blink. Okay, now it's unplugged. Let's plug it in. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's try the another port. It's working. Perfect. Okay, so it's already tested, so I don't have to worry about it. I won't use unnecessarily this port. I will keep it for my future usage. For now, I will be using only these 2 ports, and if I add some accessory, then I will utilize these 2. So this was my review on this Quantum. Let me see if it is model number. Okay, QHM7532 black color Type C USB hub, and I'm pretty happy with it. Especially sale is not ongoing, and still I got it for 200. I don't believe how they are managing to sell such a wonderful product at such cheap price. But build quality won't make you feel like it's a 200 rupees product. And if you go into offline market, the MRP is 800, so easily someone can sell it for 500 rupees. So if you really need it, order it right now. I believe this is a introductory offer. Company wants to promote their product. That's why they are selling it cheap. So let's not miss this deal. One thing I want to tell you guys that there is no light into this USB hub anywhere. You won't get the indication that it's working. My old USB hub had a blue color light and it used to tell that it's working and all. And it also had one switch. Here you don't have any switch. All ports will work by default. The benefit of having switch is like suppose I don't want to use this headphone, so I can switch it off. So my laptop won't get confused which output speaker output device should it use. So if you switch off this device, then there will be no mess. So that is good feature. Sometimes the laptop by default uses the headset if you are on Teams or Zoom call, and unless and until you unplug the headset, it won't switch back to the speaker, the laptop speaker or my monitor speakers or my home theater system. So it will by default give the preference to this headset only, because these are you can see Teams certified headset. So it will always give preference to this professional headset. Even though you don't want to use it, you manually try to change the speaker output from your taskbar, it won't allow you to do that. So if that is the case for you, so get one with the switch. That will be expensive, and I don't know you will have that kind of option in Type C. But even though if you have it, that will be expensive for sure. So this was my analysis and review on this Quantum Type C USB hub. In future, if I have any change in my thoughts, then I will update in description. But for now, I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Stay tuned. Live loud.